Hello, once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time we are preparing for departure San Pedro Port, Illinois, USA. This time we are in the process of clearing. We are here, yeah? And then we'll be going outside. And this, take this here. That is. Now we are here for clearing, we are in the process of Coast Guard clearing. This is my teammates. I had some chief engineer, second engineer, myself clearing, and myself to Coast Guard on the process of clearing. Oh, it's my chief mate and my third engineer, second mate here. I forget. This is my chief cook here, and this is my cadet. This is my oiler, lapping oiler. Third mate, and this is my senior cadet. This is my OS Navy. This is my bosin. For dry docking bosin. So once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo.
Still P5! Still P5, sir. Two to starboard. We're going up.
Hey! Go!
P5, sir, P5. Midship! Midship now, sir! Alis namin sa ilo, guys. Still midship! Midship, sir. Lakas na namin. Still midship. Midship. Minus 2-0. Midship. Lakas sa akin vlog, kagato. Starboard 20! Plus 2-0. Starboard 20 now, sir. Plus 30. Still starboard 20. Oh. Solid guys. Bye bye Iloilo. Hard starboard. Hard starboard now, sir. Guys, dito po yung sister ship namin, si Cargo 3. So, wala. Ikot kami guys, ikot kami. Ito kami Gimaras, oh. Cargo 3, top namin. Bye bye. See you soon. Patay na.